Alright, so this is my teaching about metabolism. So first off, we got glycolysis, and it takes place in the cytosol. And the goal for glycolysis is to make ATP. It's aerobic, and it requires oxygen as the final electron acceptor. So here we have in glycolysis, first 2 ATP are being used in the first step. And as it's being used, 4 ATP is being made and 2 NADH is being made. But we have a net gain of 2 ATP because we've used 2 ATP already. So now that we've used those, it becomes a pyruvate, which is 3 carbon. We actually make 2 pyruvates, so these are 3 carbons. So after that, the pyruvate enters the mitochondrial matrix, and that generates NADH. It blows off CO2, and it forms acetyl units by binding with acetyl-CoA, which is an enzyme. And the acetyl units are 2 carbon compound. So it makes the acetyl units before heading to the citric acid cycle. And now the acetyl unit enters the citric acid cycle, and it forms a 6 carbon compound that's called citrate by joining with oxaloacetate, which is a 4 carbon compound. So if you do like the acetyl plus the oxaloacetate, it's 2 plus 4 makes 6, creating citrate. And through the process, you blow off CO2, and 6 NADH is made, 2 ATP is made, and 2 FADH2 are made. So each time you blow off 2 CO2, you create another oxaloacetate to be able to bind with the acetyl unit again and create citrate. So the cycle never stops. So after that, in the electron transport chain, protons are being pumped against their concentration gradient, and they form they are from their mitochondrial matrix, and they go into the membrane. The NADH donates electrons, FADH2 also donates electrons, and that allows for the protons to be pumped against their concentration gradient. And since they're being pumped against their concentration gradient, the protons want to go back down, and they do that by entering the ATP synthase, which pumps those protons down through the phosphorate, creating ATP, and the total ATP production is 30 to 36, I believe. And in the end, oxygen is the final electron acceptor, which creates H2O.